propane. Make sure we got a full tank before we leave. We have two massive tanks here for the Airstream. There we go. I'm going to do the job that Steph will never do, and that is taking care of our waste. Protective gloves. You probably don't want to watch this, so I'm going to just do one of these. Pull the tank. That's our black tank. Not really pleasant. And you always follow the black tank with the grey tank. The grey tank has all the soap suds from the shower, from the sink in the kitchen, from the bathroom. So it's a good way just to clean the tube. Okay, so that's the black. Here's the grey. Off it goes. Just keeping my foot on it so we don't get any leakage. We are putting away the stinky slinky, as a lot of people like to call it. Stinky slinky lives in here. I can't take it off. Are you opening?
Used to play ESPs. They still. You don't want pneumonia. Be stomped out immediately. Technology will eventually.
No, it's the first time.
Okay, I'll do up a map for you guys so you can get to your campsite and stuff.
Thank you. All right.
It's one way, so you can only come in and go to the right, and then
Okay,
nine's going to be right there.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
How convenient. Fish for supper? Hey, maybe I'll cook outside. Yeah, a little bit. Give me a shout when my arse is in the right place.
All right, slow it down there. Okay, a little bit more forward. Okay, there. And keep it coming. Straight on. Keep it coming.
Okay, well, I'm on the slab here now, so my question is, are we level?